Hey guys, Checks, in today's video, boys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to edit, how Teawap edits, FaZe edits his videos, FaZe Banks, RICEGUM, and big editors like that edit their videos. So it's actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it. But let me show you guys an example. This is one of my old videos, and just watch for yourselves.
It's your last shot.
As you guys can see, those LA editors always use the same flicker effect, same FaZe Banks music song, whatever you want to call it. So it's actually pretty simple. So, alright you guys, as you can see in that last video, you guys saw the flicker effects, the text effects, the music, all of that. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get everything. The emojis they use, the transitions, everything. So, the first thing you're going to want to download is something called Red Giant Universe. This is where you get all the crazy transitions, text effects, and things of that sort. So let's go over here. Go paste on here. And I'll have all the links in the description, by the way. And you gotta click download full setup. And then this is like the most simple thing to download right now. You just click download full setup, click next, and when it shows the password, you click 1, 2, 3. And that's literally done. That was the simplest thing to download right there, Red Giant Universe. So that's probably gonna be the easiest thing you do today. We're gonna go over here. SAPPHIRE. This is where you get the flicker effect. Let me show you guys what this includes. So let's go video transitions or whatever. Let's click flicker. This is what they use in everything. The flicker effects, it has crazy transitions, color matches. Yeah, it has everything. The flickers, the lighting, the stylizations, the time things, and everything of that sort. So let's go over here and download SAPPHIRE. So we're gonna go to this link right here, SAPPHIRE. And it's going to download as a zip file, so I'm going to show you guys how to change it to a RAR so you can actually get the download in. Just going to copy and paste that right there. And then you're going to go over here back to my notes. I'll have everything in the description, boys. So I'm going to go right here, cloud convert. Paste it. And you're going to go right here, open with cloud convert. So I didn't even have to pull that up, but whatever. Now open it. And as you guys can see, I've already done it. So this is another simple thing too. So you're gonna convert it to a RAR file. So you're gonna click convert. You're gonna go right here, RAR. You're gonna click convert. You don't have to have this checked because that'll just output to your Google Drive. Alright you guys, so once you download that, get everything downloaded. When you convert it and you open it, you're gonna get this. And you're gonna double click the setup. And you just kind of keep clicking next on the setup. It's gonna say next, accept, next, right? And once you're done with that, you're gonna come back here to this WinRAR file. You're gonna click README. You're gonna copy this. X. And you're gonna go right here. Go quick access right here. Or right here, sorry.
Hello.
Paste that.
Hey, how you doing?
So yeah, once you paste that right there, you're gonna go over to where is it? Yeah, you're gonna stay right here. You're gonna go back to the WinRAR file, so you can close this. Go back to where is it? You're just gonna want to open one. You're gonna go back to that WinRAR file. You're gonna double click this. You're gonna go to File. You're gonna go like this. Move that over here. Exit this. And this is what you're gonna do. This is exactly how you get the SAPPHIRE. So this is like the most important step. You're gonna drag this thing, as you guys can see I already did. You're gonna drag this thing into here. And it's gonna say, would you like to replace these files? Since you already have the file in this, you're gonna say yes. And it's gonna say continue as administrator. Then you're gonna do that. Then you have SAPPHIRE. That's how you get the good transitions, the flicker effect, and all of that stuff. This is like the most simple things. I wish I had somebody like me to tell me this stuff when I was coming up and editing, when I was learning how to edit all my videos. So yeah, that's how you get that. And then you have the excuse me, you have the RICEGUM editing pack. This has helped me so much, I'm not even gonna lie. So let me show you guys what's in it. It's like the best stuff ever, I'm not gonna lie. Let me show you guys how to download it first. It's pretty self-explanatory since it's just a MediaFire pack. You just click download and yeah, you have it. So let me show you guys what's actually in the pack though. Okay, what comes with the pack is all these emojis, every single one of these emojis. every single one of these emojis. It's like the best thing ever. So when you see crazy thumbnails, like the Teawap thumbnails, I'll put some on the screen. The RICEGUM thumbnails, they always have emojis in the back. Let me show you guys some more stuff. They have all the crazy fonts. You just double click it, click download on them, and you get the fonts. And yeah, it has like everything you need. The green screen effects. Look at all this. The crazy transitions. It's like the best stuff ever. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me open it back. Hold on. The green screen effects, the transitions, the smoke transitions, the water transition, the fire transitions. They have everything, boys. So this has really helped me so much, like a crazy amount. The sound effects. Let me show you guys, like the Roblox oof. Everything you'll ever need. This is like the best pack I've ever found on YouTube. I was learning for so long, and I finally found the best pack for me. And yeah, I just want to share it to you guys since I haven't really seen anybody make a really good YouTube video on this. And Premiere Pro, boys. Premiere Pro is honestly the best editing software, in my opinion, since it literally has everything, and it's like the simplest thing to crack. It literally took me like maybe 3 minutes to crack it, because it's just a download thing. It's just like, it's the most simple thing ever. So I'll probably make another video if you guys want to know how to crack Premiere Pro. But yeah, I'll put all these links in the description. All you guys have to do is follow the steps and you get all that, and it's like the most simple thing. Let me show you, boys. Let me just put down a picture or something. Let me put Lil Bill. Put Lil Bill down here. Gotta make Lil Bill a little fly. Flicker. Sapphire. S means sapphire, by the way. S underscore flicker. Look at this. Look at this Lil Bill. Look at that little flicker effect. I don't know what those lines are, by the way. I think that's just because I wrote a picture, but yeah, I think I put the little song here. The little face-paint song that every editor uses. It's like the most overrated thing nowadays. But yeah, Lily has everything. No cap. Everything. And look, this, I know you guys hear this effect everywhere. Lily everywhere. It's the most, oh sorry, I think it came out my TV, but whatever. But yeah, boys, also, I was looking for this effect, this sound effect, for the longest time, maybe like months. And I DM'd, whose editor was it? If you guys know who Bilu is, I found his editor on Instagram. And he actually sent me this sound effect personally. So if you guys want it, I'll just put it in the description or something so you guys can download it. But this is the best sound effect ever. Where is it? Where is it? Cinematic Basement. Listen. That shit, that's the best. Listen. Oh my gosh, that's what DG uses, all the big YouTubers uses when there's like a super intense moment going on. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. It's like the most simple tutorial, honestly. So if you guys can't follow the steps, then you gotta be like under 5 years old. But yeah, I hope you guys all liked the video. Subscribe. I just gave you guys like, there's probably a couple future millionaires watching this video because of me, because I just taught you guys how to edit. But if you guys want to know how to crack Premiere Pro, that'll probably be like a 5-minute video, honestly. But if you guys want that, just let me know. I know this is a different type of video, but I just want to help a few youngins out. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, boys.